I used to set goals the way most people do on a random night when motivation hit me like a lightning bolt. I'd grab a notebook, write down big dreams with perfect handwriting, and tell myself, this is it. This time, I'm serious. And for the first few days, I was on fire. But then, life happened. I got busy, I got tired, and those goals slowly faded into the background again. For a while, I thought the problem was me. Maybe I just didn't have enough willpower. Maybe I wasn't cut out for success. But the truth is, I was never taught how to set goals in a way that actually worked. I was taught how to dream, but not how to follow through. It wasn't until I broke everything down that it clicked. Setting a goal isn't about writing down what you want, it's about designing a system to get there. First, I stopped setting vague goals like get in shape or be successful. I got clear. What does success look like? What does being in shape feel like? Specificity creates direction. I learned to ask myself, what do I want? Why do I want it? And what's the price I'm willing to pay to get it? Then came the power of small steps. I used to aim for huge leaps, but that only led to burnout. Now I focus on 1% progress. Tiny, consistent actions every day, because momentum matters more than intensity. It's not about doing it all today, it's about still showing up tomorrow. And finally, accountability. I stopped trying to do it all in silence. I started tracking my progress. I shared my goals with people who'd hold me to them. I made it public when necessary, not to impress, but to commit. What I've learned is this: achieving goals isn't about being perfect. It's about being relentless, about knowing your why so clearly that it pulls you through the hard days, about forgiving yourself when you fall off and getting right back on track, again and again. If you've set goals and never reached them, you're not broken. You just need a better plan. Start small, stay consistent, track your progress, and most importantly, believe that it's possible. Because the gap between who you are and who you want to be is just a series of small decisions you haven't made yet.